Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And Microsoft has come back on the idea that we talked about a few weeks ago of the Microsoft account sign-in that would be automatic and stay signed in when you go on a PC and sign into your accounts. So they've removed the blog post mentioning this, saying that it's a mistake and that they have no plan in February to do that. But that's the thing. They said it won't happen in February. So it's like, yeah, we removed it, but it's still an idea that we have that we're going to actually have the sign-in and the fact that accounts will stay signed in. So this is interesting. There's a lot of people that have complained saying, well, it's not everybody that is knowledgeable that, your account being signed in on another PC might mean somebody else could have access. Also, Microsoft, once again, showing its disconnect, saying, well, you could use the private browsing mode where that's not going to happen. Well, there's a lot of people that have no idea what the private browsing mode is. So we'll see what happens, but for now, it's not going to happen immediately. Personally, I think it should not happen automatically. It should always be, ask the question, do you want to stay signed in or not? And that's it. But for now, it's not going to happen immediately. So if you are using accounts, just be careful. Remember that if you use a Microsoft account or any accounts for that matter, that is on a computer that's not yours, to always sign out. Make sure that there's no information available that can make you sign in again without you knowing about it. And always sign out of your accounts. And the best thing to do is always use only your devices. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.